Cylinder SOLIDWORKS. It can be created in two ways, using the circle sketch and operation extruded boss base. Next step, select plane and create circle. Exit from sketch and add some depth, or on the working field, left mouse button, hold and drag that arrow. Exit from creating boss extruder. Or another way, activate the command revolve boss base on the panel theaters, select plane front and create rectangular cross section. And exit from creating sketch. On the dialog box revolve, specify the axis. And OK.